Hi, Jim Luckett here of Sailboats to Go. We're going to do a walk around here with the Paddleski 437 sail kit that we offer at Sailboats to Go. Go on over to sailboatstogo.com and take a look at the great sail kits we have for Sea Eagle boats and many other boats. First thing is, let's raise the sail. Notice how light the mast is. Easy, one-hand kind of article to handle. We just pull down on the halyard to raise the sail. Then we go through one of these ring nuts at the base of the mast. And tie it off to the front crossbar. This line here is the sheet. This is the line that controls the angle of the sail when you're sailing along. There. These are the steering oars. We have two steering oars. You're not going to use two at once unless you're maybe push rowing a little bit with them to travel a short distance. The reason for having two is so that you can use either hand without having to move an oar over. The one that you're not using, you just park in that short length of strap there. So if it's not in use, it goes there. If you're steering with it, then you free it up. Let's take a look at the different parts of the sail kit. So here's the front assembly. It consists of a front crossbar and side rail on each side, and the lee boards are going to go onto that lee board mount there. This is the mast step, and we're using the optional tall mast step here so that we can get extra headroom under the boom. The standard mast step is just about that tall. This one's much taller, and what we have is a spacer inside to boost up the mast and give you more headroom. Back here we have the rear assembly. This is a special lightweight transom that I made, but it works just as well with the standard full thickness transom that comes with your Paddleski. And this rear crossbar clamps onto the transom with those two clamps. It jogs down here to go under that outboard motor plate that would be on a standard transom. And you of course can sail with your motor mounted and just tilt it up when you're under sail. For a sailboat to be able to sail across the wind and tack up into the wind, there has to be a fin down in the water. On some boats it's a centerboard, on other boats it's a keel. On this boat, it's a lee board. We actually have a lee board on each side, and you just leave both of them down in the water all the time. And to make it real convenient for assembling the sail kit and disassembling, these lee boards just snap right onto these mounts with a single spring button. Just press the button, snap it on, make sure the button pops up in the hole, and your lee board is mounted. You never have to twist, 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 twist to take the knob all the way on or off. That's just there to hold it up if you want it up out of the water temporarily like that, and let it down. And then when you're ready to remove the lee board, you just press the button and pull it off. Now let's suppose I'm the passenger on this trip, and the captain says, let's take the sail down and do some fishing, or maybe we're going to take the sail down and do some paddling or some motoring. So, my job to take the sail down. So that about covers it. The sail kit from sailboatstogo.com for the Paddleski 437. This is a terrific accessory to add a whole new dimension of enjoyment to your Paddleski 437. Imagine being able to shut off the motor, no noise, no fumes, no use of gasoline, or even if you got an electric, which is quiet and clean, but no use of power from the battery, and the wind is taking you along, all over the lake or all over the bay, wherever you are, just from the power of the wind. It's a terrific feeling. It's a lot of fun. It's a nice skill to develop and enjoy, the skill of sailing. I can tell you one more thing. This is the 55 square foot sail. We have 3 sail sizes. 45 square foot, a little smaller than this. The 55, what you see here and have seen throughout this video. And then there's an even larger 66 square foot sail. And there's a 4th option. There's a batwing sail, a fully patented, high-tech kind of a sail. You can consider that one also. I'm Jim Luckett, owner of Sailboats to Go. You can call me at 617-645-1605. You can email me at jim@sailboatstogo.com, and you can find the listing for the sail kit right below this video by clicking that link. Thanks for watching. Sail kit for the Paddleski 437.